Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Sandy. I'm Sandy, of course, and today I am preparing for you a very, very tasty, healthy dish. This is amazing. That's all I can say about it. It's amazing, but you're going to love this. I'm going to look at the vegetables here. If you can see them, I lost a mushroom. But I've got mushrooms on here, and I've got some asparagus, some nice delicious asparagus, and some red pepper here. And I was really excited because I got the red pepper on sale today. Usually red pepper at my grocery store runs like around $3 or $4 a piece. Don't ask me why. Today they were 99 cents, so I knew when I walked in the store what I wanted to make for you guys today. And quite a bit of freshly minced chopped up garlic there. So simple and easy. This is absolutely phenomenal. I don't know about you, but I am one who absolutely loves just like a stir-fried vegetable type thing. You know, I just love the flavor of them. It's so quick and it's so easy, and I like mine to be just a little bit crisp. You know, I don't like my vegetables cooked mushy or all the way well done. I've never been like that. I like a little bit of crunch to it. So simple and easy. Let's get started. Alright, to my pan here, I've already added about a tablespoon of olive oil and about 1.5 tablespoons of butter. This is one of the dishes that, you know, I've told you in many of my videos where I like to add a combination of both. This is one of them because I like the buttery goodness that brings to the vegetables, and also the beautiful flavors of the olive oil. Now, I want you to look at these vegetables again. This is absolutely beautiful. I've got the red peppers here, the asparagus, and I had to cut quite a bit of the asparagus off because these were a little bit thicker than what I normally like. But hey, guess what, friends? Summer's around the corner, and we're going to be having some fresh veggies from the garden before you know it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and toss these in here. You can put them all in there at once because these are just going to stir fry. My pan is on about medium high, because we're just going to kind of stir fry these together. Literally, this is going to take about maybe 3 to 4 minutes maximum. Now I want you to look at the beautifulness of that. Look how beautiful that is. And go ahead and throw that beautiful, beautiful, delicious garlic in there. That's about 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to go ahead and add just a couple of pinches of salt. And we're going to leave this undisturbed for just a minute and let that go ahead and start cooking the underneath layer of that. Now just give it a toss. Oh, look how beautiful the different colors are of that. And we're just going to coat each and every one of those pieces with that beautiful butter and olive oil. The combination of those two, like I said, on several dishes that I like to make, I like to use both of them, especially in my pasta dishes. And go ahead and toss that. And again, we are going to go ahead and salt this side of it as well. Just a nice little pinching, little dusting of salt, not too much. And then we're just going to let it go for just another few minutes. Alright, one more toss here. We have literally sauteed these for about 3 to 4 minutes. And look how beautiful those are. Now, these are done enough for me. I'm just trying to get them all rolled around in that luscious garlic, bite there. Now, these are, like I said, these are absolutely done enough for me. I like mine to still have a nice crunch to them. If you want yours cooked longer than this, if you like your vegetables doner than this, by all means, you go right ahead and cook them longer. Oh, look at the beautifulness of that. That is absolutely gorgeous. It's quick, it's easy, and it's absolutely delicious. Go ahead and plate these up. And like I said, summer is coming, and the fresh vegetables are going to be abundant. There's going to be an abundance of them. And you can literally do this stir fry with any type of vegetables that your little heart desires. These are just a few of my favorites here. Green beans. I love fresh green beans sauteed in a pan with a little bit of olive oil and butter and garlic and salt. Oh my goodness. Let's get all these little pieces of. Use my pan off. And you know what? I'm using my fingers because that's what I like to do. Look at that. Absolutely cooked to perfection. Still got a little crunch to it. And taste the garlic infused. Let me back up there. All throughout the asparagus. I love asparagus. Absolutely love it. Try mushroom here. Yeah, I'm eating with my fingers. Do the victory dance. I'm gonna do a pepper too. The peppers here. They're still crunchy. Perfect. That is a winner of a combination there. I certainly hope that you give this recipe a try soon. I'm not sure what my dog's doing. These are amazing. It's so quick, it's so easy, and it's so full of flavor, and they are so good for you, and it's such a refreshing change from, you know, all the other regular side dishes that we normally cook. This would go great with grilled chicken, grilled steak, any type of dish that you want to cook, maybe a side salad. It's absolutely phenomenal, and I hope you try this soon. You know I love you guys also very much. Don't forget to go on my Facebook. Let's back up here a little bit. Back up a little bit here. Don't forget to go to my Facebook fan page. Look at this shirt. This can be yours for just $18. And if you want anything over a extra large, then you need to add an extra $3 for the extra large shirts. Look at the back of it. My personal YouTube chef. And I can't wait for you guys to start getting these. Hopefully I'll get this up on my Kitchen with Sandy Facebook page. My dog is barking. She's wanting out. But remember, I love you guys also very much. As always, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, LinkedIn. I'm everywhere. Every single where. I'm everywhere. Lucky for you guys. You know I love you. I'll see you next time. Enjoy the video. Bye.